It is always important in American politics to remember just how differently, not just how the two sides see the issues, but the issues on which the two sides are focusing. For example, many on kind of the center and the left right now are thinking about what's going to happen in Russia now that this coup attempt failed, or what's going to happen with the Ukraine war generally, or what can we do about climate change, or how can we stop the fanatics in the Republican Party from making it increasingly difficult for somebody to get an abortion, or what can we do to ensure voting rights in the United States. But for a good 30% of America, the biggest issue facing the country is the extreme corruption of the Biden administration. That is, of course, a fantasy. This is not a particularly corrupt administration, not for nothing, but certainly not in comparison to the previous one or to many previous other ones. But for those people, this is the most corrupt administration in history, and the walls are closing in, and Biden is about to be impeached. None of that is true. But if 30% of the country thinks that, then that dominates the thinking and the actions of one of our political parties. And that is where we are. And when that happens, it is very difficult to unring that bell and get back to some kind of a reasonable democratic system based in a shared understanding of reality.